Hi guys, welcome to the channel of Afro Thai Cher. I didn't upload the video for a month since we was in the Philippines last month, and I didn't put any video because I was ready to come back to my home. I am in Thailand. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I feel like lively again. Come back, eat Thai food the first day. Feels so good. I've been out from Thailand for like 3 months. Also update about my channel. I'm not gonna travel for a while. I'm gonna stay in Thailand and focus only Thailand content. I'm gonna focus about my daily life, tips, some news and information about Thailand in Thai views. I'm not tourist. I'm from here. I was born here. I'm mixed. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna get it differently. It's about Thailand the truth or what I suggest you guys, where to travel, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to just go on with it because I think it's gonna be a benefit for most of y'all because y'all want to come to Thailand, my country. Anyway guys, I have to get ready, and in the afternoon I have to take Nico and my son to barbershop, and then I'm gonna vlog with my family too. I'm gonna chill with family a little bit. But anyway, I have to go get ready, guys. See you in a bit. This side look better. Nico, say hi.
What's going on, YouTube? Just been living life, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you take a break from social media and stuff like that and just enjoy the things that God bless you with, you know what I'm saying? So this is what we've been doing.
Done. Makeup, no makeup. You know what I'm saying? Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright y'all, so this is my mom's house. I grew up here. Let's go meet my mom. Matt, this is my mom. The Austin.
Hi.
Hi. Alright, I'm gonna go buy some to eat. My sister, she sells some food, so it's be good. I'm gonna go with this bike. Little bike. I don't know how Nicole can get in there.
You gotta learn how to drive motorcycles. I don't know how to drive a motorcycle.
Yeah, Nicole don't know how to ride it. And it's crashed too. I know how to ride cars. But it's small though. Look at that. 2 people in there. It's gonna work. Let's see how it goes, guys. All right. Ready? Go.
Let's go. Alright, let me try to get on hold it.
I can't, cause damn, babe.
Bend the legs there. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
I'm on here like this.
Alright. And I was scared too. Oh my god. Okay.
Alright. Y'all learn how to drive a motorcycle, y'all. So is it the gas right here?
30 baht.
30 baht.
Just a little bit. Oh. In here.
I'll pour it for you. Give it to me.
Okay.
Let your man do your gas for you in Thailand. So
My man do gas for me, okay? A little bottle.
Put the whole thing in there?
Yeah. What's พี่สั่งมาดีค่ะสบายดีไหมโอ้โหหอมมากหอมมาก
ไว้หุ่น
กินอะไรจ๊ะ
ต้องทำหุ่น
This is my sister restaurant
กินอะไรเดี๋ยวเอาข้าวไปคือก็นะ
ร้อนอ่ะ
มีปลาหมึก
เอาได้ก็ได้ค่ะ
มีหมูกรอบมีปลาดุก
ลง
มีปลาดุกกรอบหนึ่งทอดกรอบ
ทำบอบลาบได้ใช่ไหม
ได้
โอเค
ลาบปลาดุกนะ
ลาบหมู
อ๋อลาบหมูมีโอ้ดีเลยนี่เธอ
วัดไหนอยู่
ต้
แม่
องมีหนังหมูไว้
อ๋อโอเค
วัดไหนอยู่แม่
ออสอยู่กับแม่ มามอไซค์ไงก็เลยมาสองคน
เดี๋ยวมานะเอาผ้าครัวนะ
Okay. She sell the food for the teacher and she go deliver it for a teacher in the school over there.
มา
Okay. One of my brother blogs and this is my sister blog for restaurant and another blog is that one. Another blog is for my another sister. She sell like convenience store. Yeah. Anyway. So this is the kitchen, little kitchen back in the back. Oh, this are the wiggies. บ้านฉางไม่เคยไปอ่ะ Look at that.
อร่อยยังอร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
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 Alright. Let me try some of this. Look at that. I love Thai food, y'all. I'm about to make me a series on my channel showing y'all the Thai foods y'all should try. So y'all won't come to Thailand and miss out on all this good food out here. Spicy.
Extra spicy for you.
I like spicy. It's good. It's real good. It's not good as yours, but it's good though. Yeah, I come out here. Yeah, I come out here. Yeah, eat the spicy food. Get you a Thai tea. It'll help calm some of that spiciness down because the food is spicy. You can order it not spicy, but the food is spicy for the most part.
ต้มยำไข่ดิบ
Sticky rice.
โรยจากบนบ้านมาของแก
เฮ้ยได้
เนี่ย
เอามาจากไหนอ่ะ
คนบ้านเนี่ยของแกนั่น
อ๋อ
เอามาให้
ไม่เคยเห็นเลยพี่น้องปกติจานแบบนี้ขายเท่าไหร่ถ้าจานแบบนี้ใหญ่กว่า100 So she say 100 baht for
อ
this
ร่อยไหม
one.
กินได้ไหม
It's big.
โคอร่อยปะ
It's good. Yes.
Good.
อร่อย
อร่อยเขาบอกอร่อย
ต้องไปให้คนอื่นทำแล้วที่ทำให้กิน
โอเคมาซื้อที่นี่แหละ She said don't go eat She said don't go eat somewhere else Sister will make for you Sister will make for you
You know how to cook. You know how to cook good too, though.
I know I can cook but sometimes it's like
Mm-hmm.
because this sister she always been cooking for the rest of her life since I was growing up like she's the main one that cook in the family yeah
You learn how to cook from her or your mom?
okay the story is she opened the restaurant like this before
Mm-hmm.
but different location around my home street
Mm-hmm.
and mostly sell for people that come like the market people
Yeah.
like the seller
Market. Yeah.
yeah so that time I helped her doing it too like just watching my sister do it and I start to just remember and she make me try my own food too
So you learn from her then, pretty much.
yeah
Mm.
remember from her and everything when she cook I just look I like to look and then when I want to eat food I make myself if you guys ever come to Samesan Sattahip Samesan come buy sister food in here mostly in this town Samesan is mostly for school diving or go to Samesan Island I see some foreigners come here too sometimes alright y'all so we are live at the barbershop in my neighborhood this one D&T barber style. I will recommend. This is the best in Samesan so far. Alright y'all, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.